Okay, let's take the tour inside the building here. It's the adult section here. Nothing really adult about it, but you know, depends on what offends you or whatever and scares you. A lot of costumes here. Invisible Man, Frankenstein. Different types of gear. Cool. Cool, like mortician hats or whatever you call them. The Victorian vampire. Okay. They always got some cool shirts in here and stuff too. You can wear all year round if you want to. The Michael Myers mask. Scream. Can't beat that. Check it out, folks. A lot of scary costumes and cool costumes to wear. Whatever your flavor is for Halloween or your Halloween party you're going to go to. Dress whatever you want to do. Whatever suits your style. Be the Grim Reaper here. Sorry, I can't get a great shot here because it's really tight in here. Nightmare on Elm Street. Get your Freddy Krueger cap on. Yeah. These are kind of like clowns that you never want to meet in real public. And the gear they carry. That's scary. A couple of hands here. Check that out. Trick or Treat. That was a scary movie. Got your hockey mask shirts. There's a Chucky collection here. If you want to be a full-grown Chucky, that's the way to do it. Oh, Cousin It. Check that out. Cousin It. Yeah, some more paraphernalia there and t-shirts and stuff like that. These are pretty neat. Yeah. Used to be a big old jack-o'-lantern there, you know, or you could wear a suit. Be a suit guy. Halloween. Black cape. Always good for all occasions. Never know. All right. Let's keep moving on here. So much to see. Hope y'all enjoyed those at the beginning. Those were great. The old death mask from the plague era. Well, we just had a plague, didn't we? Okay. All right. Oh, you want to be a superhero? This is where to go. We got some super costumes here. It's the Batman collection here. Oh, Jack. Many different characters from Jack. If you go in as a couple, you could go with some of these here. Pretty interesting. SpongeBob, can't beat that. Scooby-Doo, straight up. It's good stuff there. All right, you just gotta head down to the store, folks, and check it out. The Barbie collection, that new Barbie movie coming out. Like I said, they got clothes and apparel here that you just never find anywhere else. Only this time of year can you get it from them. I guess you could go to Spencers.com and get it from them. So different costumes, Crayola, Gizmo, Willy Wonka. It's pretty cool. Pardon me. All right, Cat in the Hat. There we go. There's some safe stuff to wear there. Armored Batman Zero. I don't know what that is. Peely the banana. It's crazy. That's pretty cool. Sorry about the fingers, folks. All right, Mickey Mouse. Trying to get a good angle here, folks. It's really tight in here. Oh, that cartoon. I can't remember. It's a Japanese cartoon. Demon Slayer, that's what it was. All right. Naruto. All right. Got all kinds of different stuff here. Wizard of Oz, Toy Story. Cool. Got Pokemon right here. Could be Pikachu or Charizard. Oh. Lilo and Stitch, huh? Check that out. It's pretty cool. All right. If you're into that police and prisoner thing, there you go. It's out there for you. Okay. And your gear. Pirate. Or be a pirate there. Get a pirate hat. Swashbuckler. Sea dog. You got your standard 60s and 70s hippie.